Welcome everyone, and thank you for joining us as we learn wonderful Garifuna language. Sibini Mutu, Anu Gunda, Yarala Hachuluru, Ura Friendaru Garifuna. Today our topic is people, and in Garifuna there are two ways to say people. First is Mutu. Mutu. Second is Gürigia. Gürigia. And as human beings, we have men, women, and children. Man in Garifuna, in the male voice, is Wügüri. Wügüri. In the female voice, man in Garifuna is Eyeri. Eyeri. Woman in Garifuna, in a male voice, is Würi. Würi. And woman in a female's voice in Garifuna is Hiñaru. Hiñaru. And then we have child. Child in Garifuna is irahü. Irahü. And in the same token, children. Children in Garifuna is irahü. Irahü. And finally, everyone. We say sun mutu. Sun mutu. That means every person. Literal translation. Thank you so much for joining and investing your time. That is it for today's lesson. And until the next episode, Sareme. Ayo. Turn for the